engasit eyaritika aibua isiola ngoro tia imonyo na potwe ngare no koluko teso kijai kisi President Museveni lo jai teso bian Peter Ogwang minister lo iman mani akerian tuna akwapok kora MP lo buku ngariam ko katakwi ngesi abu ko Amonyakisi Museveni ichan lo etani kisi lo ke ngesi.
But the fundamental question is, how does a cow live in Ariam and it finds itself to a trap in Nabilatu? What happens in between Ariam to Nabilatu? You respect, sir, where the people are not happy at how can government fail to protect the lives and property. For the last 10 years, and you know, we have never ever had a problem of insecurity or cattle thefts along that area.
No, it will be sorted out.
So, as I conclude, sir, what am I trying to say, sir, here? To be sincere, you need to do something, sir, as far as the leadership of the UPDF managing that area is concerned. I want to confirm this to you, sir.
Abu MP Nangoro Kokumi Christine Apollo Ike Nukayerdo Latuburuti Iteso Noi.
Dear President, apart from the theft of animals, the Karamojong are also killing our people. We thank you, Mr. President, because one day the aeroplane airlifted one of the dead bodies, where some of our people normally go fishing in order to fight poverty. As I speak now, Mr. President, we have families that have lost their dear ones, and the dead bodies have not been recovered up to now.
Apollo Kinton Ajore, Katia Kunetina Unet, Brigadier General Joseph Balkudembe, Nesatamit, Aitetemenu Kamuntosi Akokona, Konye, Apotengarenoko Ikuma Utu.
We subject them for identification if we are suspicious that these cows don't have proper permits. And
so then where are they passing? How do they take the cows? They don't put them in the corrals.
Your Excellency, it was then, but these days there are no those bigger rigs that really attract lorries to move at night even during the day.
Museveni ngesi abu Kisumu na ike onunu kayo aram kobalebe apupi apipilu kanu itunga lwatwaka.
And also the cows, but it will be it's not a surgery. And I can see from the report of PP that there's no logic. Because you say they are moving by lorry. No, if they are moving by lorry, that's simple. Man the roads.
Enera Museveni ngun ikeuni bobo eminisa gwangebe na ikanyet bobo engasitai itungake ibore ilipitore president aruke jautene na araebe epiko ajore.
The problem, even as of yesterday, I have lost over 25 cows within Mariam County. What about the other parts of the district? So I want somebody, sir, to request you. The earlier we address this problem, the better for the compensation why we are here today. Because we are going to give people money, they will buy cows, the same people will come and take away the cows. How long are we going to continue compensating people on the same problem?
Itungaluko katakwi amuria kaka pelebion kejache boishoda kesietere kinam kedechani tilo akoko kaiarit ladao jau. Dilax Emi Alamu, Godfrey Ojore, TV East Soroti.